Hi, I'm Gareth Spence and welcome to another episode of Tech Talk. In today's show, we're talking about an innovative piece of fiber monitoring technology that started life monitoring just fiber, but is now branching out into other applications. It's called ALM. To help me understand more, I'm joined by ADVA's Sander Jansen. Sander, thanks for your time today. Can we take this from the very top? What is ALM?
ALM is the Advanced Link Monitor. It's a fiber monitoring solution that we've developed now since about 8 years. 8 years ago, it was really perceived as luxuriousness if you could monitor your fiber. Now, with more and more fibers being deployed, specifically in access and mobile environment, it becomes really a necessity. So the ALM will provide you with 24/7 fiber monitoring, just showing you the fiber integrity.
You've had a lot of customer success recently. I've read a number of stories. Can you tell us what makes ALM so compelling?
So I think there's a couple of key factors that really drove the success of the ALM. First of it is, we really designed this for like a low maintenance solution. You install it, you can really forget about it. There's no moving parts, so no fans or what, so you don't have to replace air filters or anything like that, no calibration needed. You just install it in the network and that's it. But another aspect is, how do you manage these devices? You'll have many of these devices installed in the field, monitoring your fiber, and you need one centralized view so that you have one overview which fibers are problematic, which fibers broke, and where do you need to go today to fix the network. So we integrated in very many third-party geographic information systems. Of course, we have our own network management system for customers who use that. But we even have an installation guide, or programming guide, I should say, for customers who then want to integrate themselves in their own environment. Many customers set up their own custom ticketing system or something like that. And we have SNMP, NetConf, everything you need to integrate into those systems as well.
Okay, and now you're holding a piece of technology in your hands at the moment. I believe you have something new to show us today about ALM.
Yes, absolutely. So whereas ALM was really focused first on just monitoring the fiber itself, we're now taking it a step further, because just one of the most critical parts of your access network are your cabinets. So you need to know in the evening, are the cabinet doors closed? Did maybe a maintenance engineer forget to close one, or did one break off, or did someone damage it by vandalism? And so for that, actually, we developed this small little sensor, and this one is completely passive. There's no battery inside whatsoever. You just have the signal come in and go out to the next sensor. You can cascade 20, 30, 40 of these sensors behind each other without a problem. And so normally the sensor will be closed, but if then the cabinet door is opened, the reflection profile of this device changes, and the ALM, sitting maybe 80 kilometers away, can detect that without a problem. So now we have a tool to remotely detect, without any power in the field, whether or not cabinet doors are opened or closed.
Okay, Sander, thanks for showing us that device, but where do we go from here?
Yeah, so this was indeed the first start to be able to monitor the cabinets. But we've gotten a lot of requests, can we monitor now manholes or maintenance holes as well? And indeed, we have developed for that this maintenance hole sensor. So the maintenance hole sensor, as you can see, there's no moving parts. It works completely magnetic. So whenever the lid is closed, we can detect that by a reflection profile change, similarly as the cabinet door sensor works. So this one is in prototype right now, and we're bringing it to market next year.
Great, Sander, thanks for the ALM updates today. We look forward to hearing more in the future.
Thank you very much.